How to create a website design in Canva easily. Here, I've already opened my Canva app. Make sure you have it installed, and if you don't, check out our video on how to download and install Canva. You'll find the link in the description below. To start designing your website, head over to the Canva homepage. On the banner, you'll find various design categories. Click on Websites to explore the available templates specifically tailored for websites. Take your time to choose the template that best suits your needs. Click on it to open a blank page in the Canva editor. Now, here on the editor page, you will see the template section on the left. Find the template of the website you like to use and then click it. And then click the pages of the template to add it, or simply click the Add All Pages button for an instant. On the side panel, you'll find various tabs to customize your website. Click on each tab to explore the different options available to you. This includes adding text, photos, videos, graphics, charts, and even embedded content. Finally, let's add some extra flair to your website by incorporating animations. To do this, look for the toolbar above the editor and click on Animate. You'll be able to animate your entire page, individual text elements, or specific design components. By utilizing Canva's animation feature, you can bring your website to life. Whether it's subtle transitions or eye-catching effects, animation will take your design to the next level.